Hello guys, today we're going to change another headlight to the LED on, like we did last week with this one. And we're also going to move the parking light from inside here to inside here. Yes, let's go ahead. Here you see on these indicators there is a orange indicator bulb. This one we will change to a LED white one and use as a parking light. This type is excellent. Here it is a polarity issue, of course, so if it doesn't work, you have to flip it around the other side. So this is always a 50-50 chance. But here we are. Just long enough to reach the headlight. Remove this one, which I also did change for LED lamp earlier this year. So you just need the 2 cable shoe spade type, and this will be plug and play. To use the ring for driving lights and indicator, you need of course 2 wires that goes to the driving light and indicator on this one. So 2 new wires from here up to there, and we should be good to go. To change the headlight, it's just a matter of removing these 3 screws. And here we are. You see they all have a kind of nylon washer, felt washer or something. So you will also need that for the new headlight. And like I told you in the first video I did make, there are some, I don't know the name for this in English, taps that matches these 3 recessed, and it only fits one way around, so you can't make it wrong. See? Yep, here we are. Oh no. This one is loose. Here we have cable shoe, or whatever it is called in English. I hope it's called that. Spade connector, which fits perfectly into this. So just strip the wire. Looks amazingly professional when you use this kind of cable shoes. Highly recommend you to get a set of this. Here we are. Looks like it came straight from the factory. Almost, at least. Okay, let's test it. Yes, works on first try. Then we don't have to flip the bulb the other way around. To install the wires, you have of course two choices. You can change the cable through, or you can solder it to the cable through. Always pre-tin, very important. The black and green on my car is the indicator. This one, it's the driving light. Middle one is earth. Very hot. Okay, very close now. Here we have it, one red and one green. This one is just plug and play. And then, hopefully, I match the colors the right way around. Working light. Top. Very nice. No. Or my gun is weak. That's one not good. Okay, here we have both headlights with LED, and as you can see, they are actually working. Both are of course slightly too high, like I told you in the first episode, in the first clip we made. So let's do a darkness test up in the roads, up in the hills. Here I have taped off my extra lights with some red tape, so I don't think they should matter to the light pattern anymore. Let's see if I hold my hand in front of it. Nothing? No. Okay, then we're good to go. Okay, still looks okay. long and short. Yes. It's working. The light pattern is quite wide, so yes. Downhill? Oh, car. Shit. Okay. Long, short. Okay. Long, short. Okay guys, there you have it. The final test with the two LED headlights on the car in the darkness. It does not look so bad that I thought in the first clip, so yeah, I will try them on for some months and see how I like them. Thanks for watching guys, see you, bye bye.